I'm Michael with the Abandoned Atlas Foundation, and with me today is Wallace Stone, and we are outside of the Mountain Air Hotel here in Hot Springs, Arkansas.
Whether I find investors or I pass my information on and someone completes this task, I think to me and Michael and many others, these are amongst the most historically significant architectural buildings in Arkansas. So repairing the concrete, replacing the windows, you could actually cut holes in the ceiling and have these units together where you could look right up and have a lot more open space.
One of the main concerns is always that second means of egress, and actually, fortunately, back in 2021, the University of Arkansas's Fay Jones School of Architecture, Carl Matthews, had his students choose from 5 buildings here in Hot Springs, and the Mountain Air being one of them. And there were several students who chose the Mountain Air and showed designs of how to creatively bring that second means of egress, which I'm sure Wallace has been thinking a lot about, as one of them being that hole in the floor, maybe putting that spiral staircase. There's a lot of great designs that we have that were graciously donated by the University of Arkansas. And so if you want to look at those, we have those on file and we'll be more than happy to send them.
Most buildings I deal with, you're dealing with lots of wood, what could be rotten in there. All of this has been gutted out. There's nothing but concrete and steel at this point. So we're not worried about asbestos. We're not worried about having to gut everything. They're actually built like parking garages, but now I know I can blow all the walls out and put all the stuff down the chases and actually open these units up. I think I would leave the curved walls,
absolutely,
of course. People love
I would kill you if you didn't.
I believe you.
And Wallace has done a tremendous job. He's done lots of buildings like the Judge's Hideout in Malvern, Capone's Loft here in Hot Springs as well. And he's many other projects on the way, and we're really excited to see where your career goes and what you've been doing.
Man, I'm excited to do this, and if I can pass my idea off to someone else and they can complete this project, I think that's our main goal. We don't want to see them demolished. The structural engineer was telling me, these beams support everything. These walls are not structurally important, so I can bust all of these walls out without having to make reinforcements. So it's like a parking garage. I know I could save $150,000 in structural repairs. I could just come in here and bust all the walls out and open this up. This is a big deal. So here's a structural beam right here. And if you opened it up, the building probably would have sold a long time ago.
In your eyes, where would the hole in the floor go? Well, and how difficult would that be?
To me, that would be in your living room space. It's just pretty unbelievable that this has been empty for going on 3 decades. So, you know, since we were kids, this place has been empty and no one's been able to grab a hold of it yet. It's gone through several owners. Right now, I think this is the time. It's gotten down to a price where you're talking about $15 a square foot. You couldn't come anywhere close to rebuilding something like this, so you just have to have the right idea, right plan, right people, and this can happen. So
absolutely,
it needs to happen now.
We're always saying here at the Abandoned Atlas Foundation, just because it's abandoned doesn't mean it's the end of the story. And Wallace has taken us through the building today, showing us exactly what that means and how this building can be repurposed. And we are very excited to see what this building can do. So thank you so much, Wallace, for giving us a tour today. And I am hoping that this project comes to life, and we need to make it happen. So thank you so much for joining us today. And if you have any questions or if you have any interest in this and want to know more information, feel free to email us at board@abandonedatlas.com or call me on my cell phone, 405-650-0005.
They can reach out to me through Wallace Stone Design. I'd be happy to share with you what I know about the building. I'd be happy to walk through the building with you. We just want to see this completed and finished. We want to save the building. So that's what this is.
All right, and we have many other buildings on the docket. Go to AbandonedAtlas.com to learn way more about buildings that are for sale. Until the next video, keep exploring.